President Ram Nath Kovind pays homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at INA Moirang. "39 memorandums of understanding have been signed between Government of Manipur and representatives of various companies. Artists from different parts of the world take part in International Imphal Art Game at Kangla. Congress submits memorandum to President Kovind demanding disclosure of framework agreement between Government of India and NSCN-IM. And 11th Manipur Polo International 2017 kicks off. Manipur beat England 8-3 in the opening match. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum bringing you the top stories. President Ram Nath Kovind today paid homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on the last day of his two-day visit to Manipur. The President, accompanied by the First Lady Savita Kovind, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, was flown in a helicopter to Moirang this morning. He visited the Indian National Army Memorial Complex at Moirang, where the Indian tricolour was hoisted for the first time on the Indian soil on April 14, 1944. President Kovind offered floral tributes at the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at INA complex. He also visited the INA Museum. Ram Nath Kovind is the first president of India after V.V. Giri to visit the INA Memorial in Moirang. The former President of India, V.V. Giri, inaugurated the INA Memorial on October 21, 1972. It may be mentioned that President Kovind arrived in Imphal yesterday to inaugurate the first Northeast Development Summit and Manipur's Sangay Festival 2017. At least 39 memorandums of understanding (MOU) have been signed between different departments of the Government of Manipur and representatives of various companies, including countries like Japan and Korea, on the second and last day of the Northeast Development Summit held as a part of the Sangay Festival 2017. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren signed the MOUs worth multi-crore of rupees on behalf of the state government today. The MOUs include oils, minerals and limestone in the industrial sector, setting up of apparel companies, establishment of drugs and pharmaceutical factories, health institute, hospital in the health sector, electronic design, cyber security, assemblage of 4G, 5G equipment, 4G, 5G equipments in the IT sector, setting up of the UK's private university in the education sector, and many more. Entrepreneurs and representatives of various companies from Manipur, India and different countries held discussions on trade and investment, connectivity and infrastructure development, tourism development and skilled development on the last day of the summit. The discussions highlighted the requirement for new and innovative products on the existing traditional designs to reach out to the global platform, various skills and vocational training to ensure self-employment and empowerment, etc.
I'm certain that the positive outcomes from this summit will transform the business and the development environment of the Northeast region in general and in Manipur in particular. It shows the commitment, collectively building enduring partnership to address the aspiration of its people by unlocking the full potential of the state. It is we, the state of Manipur, who needs you all today. Together we can make Manipur and the entire Northeast the best place to invest and the most developed region.
28 men and women artists from around the world are taking part in the second International Imphal Art Game 2017, jointly organized by Manipur Tourism and Any Brothers Entertainment Private Limited as a part of the Sangay Festival at the Kangla. Artists from Korea, Turkey, Egypt, Russia, Haiti and India are taking part in the art camp, which kicked off yesterday and will go on till November 25th. A workshop and discussion for artists is also being held as a part of the camp. The artists will also be taking a tour of the Loktak Lake to see its beauty. Director of Any Brothers Entertainment Private Limited, Nelson Elangbam, said the camp is organized to provide a platform to local artists to interact with the artists coming from outside the state. He said the camp advises that artists from outside the state would promote the state's beauty to the rest of the world.
Andaktasu Loktak yek yauriba ngang nan Loktak to purub ne kuye kebulam zawda curtain raiser program am togibdo ada puriba ko ada mo halaga Loktak yek yauriba simai to mun prominent artist myam sina Loktak or Manipur ki kangla yelak pakan sida akhoi gi sak weba mun mapanda puduneba aduna moi gi market sam niche ko am pesa pa mi atane leiba pot ni pategum su adugi nu paduna painting no leik targadi Manipur is Kangani was as part of promotion, part of promoting Manipur in the field of tourism. Adum the Su and Club Toxin. Team line and a page is Manipur and artist destination have never.
Meena Laishram, a freelancer participating in the art camp, said the camp inspires the artists. She, however, lamented that the young generation does not accept drawing and painting as profession. She said if one has a passion for painting and drawing, one can have a successful career. Artists coming from Turkey and Russia expressed their love for the natural beauty of Manipur. The paintings on Manipur were also on display. They expressed happiness that the government of Manipur have invited them to be a part of the camp. Artists from other countries also expressed the desire to visit the state in future.
Pure love, pure do led. Adum matam da koi khena ba kem khang da ba mi amaga kem ta chap manan uminarak pa chen chong sang minarak pa ngang macha mayam do dum matam just want to I want to capture that moment like and I want to paint in the canvas.
Your country very interesting. Culture 2 days ago, Shanghai festival we participate. Oh, very exciting, very interesting. Dancing, spiritual dance, everything is choreography, excellent.
Manipur is beautiful, and I think you're right that call Manipur paradise. It's true. I would like say thank you so much for inviting me in this time, organizers and government of Manipur.
When I get here, I was to Sangai's festival, and I heard about the Sangai, how they live, the way, the location where they live, and the problem and everything that has. So I bring one of my gods, one of my voodoo gods. And if you see the sign on the top of the Sangai in my paintings, it's gods that protect. So I think the sun god need protection. So I bring my gods to protect the Sangai. And the paintings, I call it Sanghaiti.
Manipur State Cooperative Bank for the first time in Manipur has launched a mobile demo van mobile ATM van at the ongoing Sangai Festival 2017. General Manager of NABARD Praveen Kumar launched the van in the presence of AGM of NABARD R.K. Yaipaba Goite and DGM of MSCB I Angautombi today. The mobile van mobile ATM van is sanctioned by NABARD. Cine Actor Guild Manipur today launched an entertainment program called Sangai Stars Night today at Thread and Permanent Exhibition Center, Lamboy Khong Nang Khong. The program held under the Aegis of Film Forum will continue till November 26. Popular artists of Manipur will give various performances at the event.
Cine Actors Guild Manipur na Film Forum Manipur ki makhada Sangai Stars Night haidana film actors singi oiba entertainment program amadi ate nungai program kaya unaba khoina tharang tokjabani 26 November fawba leptan chathagani nungthigil pung manga khud dagi houjagani hariba numit kharani asi manungdai khoina Manipur da lariba sangnarba actor actress sing asina performance biduna Sangai festival asigi tongan ba mahaw ma hamna ba honajabani masi kitang chakhot pangamna ba honabagi wakhalon amasu lejai film forum amadi MSF DS Ani na pununa ekhoi Palace Compound leba MSFDS Auditorium da 25th November dagi numit mangani chupna ekhoi film festival su pangthok sagani.
Stalls at Trade and Permanent Exhibition Centre complex are facing major inconveniences on the second day of Sangai Festival at Lamboy Kongnang Kong today. The stall owners has complained against improper lightings and rough flooring, leading to less visitors at the stalls. Dust from the road, which is not blacktopped, has piled up on the stalls on the northern side of the Trade and Permanent Exhibition Centre. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit came to see the situation. He interacted with the stall keepers and assured them of redressing their grievances at the earliest. Manipur Hill Journalists Union has expressed shock at the brutal killing of senior reporter of Siandan Patrika and local television channel Vanguard Sudeep Datta Bhomik by a Tripura State Rifles trooper in Bhojung Nagar, Tripura. The union in press release condemned the murder and demanded the Tripura government to take prompt action to book the culprits. A combined team of 6 Assam Rifles and Thawbal Commando arrested a member of UPK in front of Pinnacle Academy in Tolan village around this morning, 6:40. The arrested man is identified as Mohammad Kausar Ali, 28 years, son of late Mohammad Abdul Sattar from Lilong Chandrakhong, Maning Sanakong. He has been handed over to Lilong police station for further investigation. The body, which was discovered in the jungle of Chamol village under Chakpi Karong police station by 4 Assam Rifles yesterday, was kept in the Janims morgue. The deceased is identified as Ngamilian Kipgant alias Lulun, son of Jankopao Kipgant from B. Gamom village. Sources said the deceased was a cadre of PLA. It may be mentioned that after the armed encounter which occurred between the 4 Assam Rifles and insurgent groups in Chamol village on the 15th of this month, Assam Rifles personnel have been conducting cordon and search operations in the area. The dead body was recovered in a drain. Living aside the joy and fun of their youth, poverty-stricken Soibam Sanjita and her elder sister can hardly make ends meet by doing whatever manual jobs they come by to support their family. Soibam Sanjita from Khoijman Mayailekai in Bishnupur district is the second child among 3 siblings. She has an elder sister, Soibam Kananbala, and a younger brother, Soibam Indibusht. Their father, Soibam Chauba, is paralyzed due to an unfortunate accident, while their mother, Soibam Memcha, suffered a BP stroke and both cannot move without help. Sanjita and Kananbala are making all-out efforts to support their family as their parents are now rendered physically unfit to support the family. Kananbala has completed BSc and is working as a sales girl in a cosmetics shop in Thangmaiban, while Sanjita weaves clothes. Speaking to Impact News, Sanjita said, apart from the assistance offered by some civil society organizations and NGOs, the Social Welfare Department has not offered any help to the family. She urged the government to at least donate 1 wheelchair for a father and also to give them housing loan under the government's housing scheme for BPL families.
Yamna kudong chadre do koi chichega igana yumje puraga leire ipak kumba akongumba dai lanai mi singda myam mateng pange laing ba dai paisa nungsa khara dung angamba mateng myam pangaga hojikse leire adu sarkar gi maikai dai gi thojokpa mateng je phangjadre BPL gi imungda jingbanina sarkar gi maikai dai gi phangba yaba mateng sing social welfare department dai gi baba chatpa khoppa ngamdaba se wheelchair gumba kaigumba kudong chaba leiragadi Panganjaningi. Sarkar the housing loan gumba piba yaba kudong saba leiragadi adumasu sarkar gi maikaidagi pihandinge.
State Bank of India North-East Circle under the aegis of SBI Corporate Social Responsibility donated clothes, food and other items at Punya Children Home for Girls in Thangmaiban Yumnam Laikai today. General Manager of SBI North-East Circle, Manu Gupta, and Assistant General Manager of SBI RBO Imphal, Kamal Khanal, handed over 2 cupboards and a TV set and track suits to the children home, which is currently providing shelter of 43 girls. Communist Party of India Marxist Manipur State Committee has condoled the demise of Central Secretariat member of Communist Party of India Marxist Sukamal Sen in Kolkata. The CPIM Manipur in a press release said he was a veteran trade union leader and served as General Secretary of All India State Government Employees Federation for a long time. It's time for a small commercial break. We will back with the news of Congress urging the President Ram Nath Kovind to disclose the details of the framework agreement between Government of India and NSC and IM. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. The Congress party submitted a memorandum to President Ram Nath Kovind demanding disclosure of the details of the framework agreement between Government of India and NSC and IM. MPCC President T.N. Haukip today said President Kovind has assured the party that he will look into the matter. Speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan, T.N. Haukip today said the memorandum said the threat to the integrity of Manipur territorial administration, financial, cultural and politics can never be tolerated under any design of settlement. The memorandum said Manipur should remain Manipur as it is today. The MPCC president also demanded that the 5 BJP parliamentary secretaries who resigned on the 25th of last month should be disqualified. Former Chief Minister and leader of Congress Legislative Party, Okrami Bobi, said the Congress welcomes a political solution to the NSC and IM problem. He also demanded that the NPF should make its stand clear on the issues.
Northeast Tohai Tabagi Lakadu Port Sida Karigidamakta Secret Oina Tambano Masi Sovereign Mapuna Government of India the pressure PBO Haina Hoina request our party has taken a decision to wait the stand of NPF vis-a-vis its relation with the BJP Haibani. Subyaw Yaro Haibanate Mahoi Nigi the labor relationship adu spell out to view adu the Ekoi Manipur interest the Yauzagani Haibani.
Apunba common memorandum ama prepare Taurisi Masidam Hoi. One of the signatories Uigadra. Adagi Prime Minister, Home Minister Unaba Chatpa memorandum se Pivada Mohoju Yarabra. Framework agreement se Masdeda Karigumba Manipurgi Apunba integrity se Masi Soka the Yarom Tardi. A Koiju Yaroi, a Koiju objection Togani and stand no clear will be regadi.
Struggle Committee Manipur SCM, an apex body of Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM and Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union MPP DU extended help to the 2 families whose harvested paddy was set on fire by miscreants. The incident occurred on November 17 at Ngai Kongkunau in Bishnupur district. The burnt paddy belonged to Lashtam Samananda and Takelambam Athoba Maitai from Kainau, Thongkha. SCM donated 3 bags each of rice to the families. Spokesperson of SCM, Chong Tham Ibohol, strongly condemned the incident and assured the victims of help in future.
Ho Paisandana Thamba Matamada Kangudana Sakangdaba Mio Havatai Aduna May Tado Piramdana Tumna Sakre Haibadugi Sakribadugi Awana Tarabasingada Manipur Proletariat People Democratic Union ki Maikei Dagi Angamba Sing Back Ahum from Anida Pangjana Bugidamata Laksabani Sumba Awa Tarabasingasi Parza section Kayanasu Makoibu Mateng Pangminava Haidana Manipur Proletariat People Democratic Union ki Maikei Dagi Puning Chinchinjari.
Convener of Development Committee MPP Konthojam Krishna Chandra in a press release said the election of president of the party will be held at Manipur Press Club on 25th of November. The voting will take place from 10:30 a.m. till 3 p.m. A team led by ADC More in Gojendro and DSP Commando More, T.H. Krishna Tombi conducted cleanliness drive around the Iron Bridge on the Indo-Myanmar border today. The cleanliness drive is carried out in connection with the proposed inauguration of a passenger terminal building in the integrated checkpost complex. JCB and Dipper were used to clear the waste. It may be recalled that when SP Technopal District, SC Bomcha, ADC More in Gojendro, SDPO More, Lawrence K. Munlo conducted a cleanliness drive on October 31st and the Myanmar Army prevented them from disposing the waste in an area in Howland 5 village. DC Technopal RK Rakhumani met the chief of the Motha village WS Molum Anal regarding the matter, and the chief agreed to give a portion of Motha village as a dumping site. All Manipur Newly Appointed Employees Association 2016, an association formed by Grade 3 and Grade 4 employees who are recruited in Public Works Department, demonstrated today in front of PWD, protesting in non-assignment of the duties. After the demonstration, the protesters tried to take out a rally towards the Chief Minister Bungalow. However, they were prevented by the police. Vice President of All Manipur Newly Appointed Employees Association 2016, Y. Chandrasekhar, said the candidates were selected in a department in December 2016 and they joined the office on January 3rd this year. He said the government ordered a review of these posts on April 19 and they joined the office on April 20. He said the government issued an order to keep the posts in abeyance on April 29. The association alleged that the government has not issued any clarifications to them.
Given events that we have to power away, Tamjin Bire, Lotok Vidre, Lotok Tabani, MGL process, I could later, MGL process later, I do Matakam, Equigi, Masamasaki, Simpam Paraga, Legerma Mamji, Tabak Tower of Nether, Sagi, Mamji, Lerma Mamje, Loan at Hadunarga Government Service or Tower of Nena, Loan Lanaka, Nasiboxe, Aquay Karimta, Young Bidana, keeping events, Tamjin Birga, our Mamjadum, family Puma, among the people the luxury levels. Get and bigger about the government side, Karimam Takoya, Sida Magi. Pakum the Pibi Haitare. Sinamorkanda Makata agitation of Japanese.
All Manipur Ad hoc Employee Association has demanded results of the ad hoc and employees recruitment by Directorate of Education S by December 5th. The association warned of intense agitation on December 6th if the demands are not met by the government. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of All Manipur Ad hoc Employee Association, C.H. Kurai Lakpa said there are many employees who have retired without regularizing their post in Education S and many still have been serving for more than 20 years. He asserted services of 288 ad hoc employees in Education S and other departments were regularized in 2013. He added later a cabinet meeting held on November 29, 2016 further resolved to regularize 502 employees of the department. He lamented that before the previous government could hold a special DPC and declare the results as per the resolution of the cabinet meeting, a model code of conduct was imposed and the results were shelved. Kurai Lakpa warned of intense agitations if the government does not declare the DPC result latest by December 5th.
DPC Pangthokre, Adabu, Labak Tivigi, model code of conduct Laki, Vanamarakanda, result of Bungam Kide, Akui Wakati, Anobo government, when Tamzariba Asasibu. Ning Batungan Biboina, a quick tabok say, government has continued process Nina, a quick Makata local view is allowed to view, a quick tabok Sangan view, a quick ito, Nintina Pangton view. Lona Masida Karimo government, Tabi the Targadi, Shanghai Festival, the Makamatam Karayatok Sarga, December Tamanga, Gidi, a quick Makal Makakayagi. I'm Yoba, Natra Makal Makakayama, Kungan Sangnava, same Saturn Leisure.
People living in various areas in Wabagai constituency still face inconveniences due to the deplorable condition of roads which have been damaged by floodwater of the Imphal River during the flash floods in the state. People face grievous inconveniences while traveling from Irung Chesaba to Hangun. However, 150 feet stretch of the bank at Rong Chesaba Ichil, where the Taubal and Imphal rivers meet, 120 feet at Mayang Imphal Maibam Thongam Laikai and 400 feet at Haibong Makong Mayay Laikai have collapsed. People have expressed apprehensions that there will be more danger if rains again lash the area. Youth Development Committee of the affected areas drew the attention of the concerned authority to the problem and urged for repair of the river banks and roads at the earliest. President of the committee, Mohammad Fazur Rahman, said the department concerned has been approached repeatedly. However, no action has been taken. He said even though the local MLA has assured them to repair the road, but nothing has been done so far.
Ado masigi posi sing latring do department gi music no kitang henna printing laga sembiu masi posi sem ta ga de khun lei lekai gi lei misin gi low sing ade gi from lang phoi cha bo ngamro chin har kan da khoi gi nong ching ta ba kan chapot ngam je khoi chin har kan da aduna lei ba khun gi pajam yam su wan re
masi khal thu de semjin bi ba pa mi da gi khoi gi ama nga tong gi du sarkar ni yeng bi pham tho ga yeng bi rak pa yeng bi rak tra ga de kon kari hai jaru da gi hai pham chu khang dre ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩ.
An adventure tour to Shirui and Kangkui Cave in Ukhrul district was flagged off today as a part of the Sangay Festival. The two-day tour organized by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association (MMTA) under the sponsorship of Tourism Department was flagged off from MMTA office at Minuthong by Yash Director N. Praveen. MMTA President Bijoy Kakching Tabam and several members of the association attended the event. The adventure team will trek the Shirui range in Ukhrul and also see the Kangkui Cave.
Landam Sigi, Maharod Singh, Hogalai youth, particularly students, Mayam see the spirit of adventures, Adegi, Manipur Daleriba, Mayam, Tambu Mayam, see Amatani Haipigi Masigi, Wakalon, Masi, Hoganinga with Badu Makujani, the Handak Sangay Stakeway, State Sigi, Ladybug, the six Tagalak youth Mayam see different activities. The signification of the Haraga, Sigi, Amato is Satam say, Pano Yam Chaw, Wakalon say,
The 11th Manipur Polo International Tournament kicked off at Imphal Polo Ground today. In the first match of the tournament played today, India B Manipur Polo team defeated England Polo team 8-3. For the winners, L Atangba scored 4 goals, POJ 2, while T Pradeep Kumar and S Bimol scored 1 goal each. Phil Sella scored the 3 goals for the losing England polo team. India Team B, Manipur Polo Team, Morocco Polo Team and England Polo Team are in the Pool A, while USA Polo Team, Argentina Polo Team and India Polo Team A are in the Pool B of the International Polo Tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren, ministers, MLAs, members of Manipur Polo Horse Riding and Polo Association and polo lovers witnessed the inauguration of the tournament. The umpires of the match were Martin Scorchini from Argentina and Nick Johnson of USA. Tomorrow will see an exhibition match between Morocco and Argentina, followed by the tournament match between the USA and India A.
The wetlands of Manipur, particularly the Noctel Forest, are one of the natural habitats for Manipur colonies. The park has faced the purest birth of the human civilization. The onslaught and the destruction of the parks, which lakes, have driven the colonies to the street. Our government is fully committed and determined to make sure that our colonies have enough space for themselves in the years to come. I have given directive to identify the areas that can permanently be reserved for our colonies. This is a collective responsibility of the people of Manipur. We all should join our hands together to preserve our natural surroundings.
An exhibition match of indigenous games and martial arts also kicked off today under the initiative of Arts and Culture Tourism and Yash. Organized by Mitai Ipa Ipu Salai Inat Kongol Libalup, the event opened Kumanlampak Sports Complex. Many indigenous games and martial arts were performed on the first day.
Landam Sigi Pazaraba indigenous games ki Masana Kaya, si Inakio Matil Kaya, si Ying Badayana, Makalamna, Mungai Ying Badu, Hangabagi Mongu, Ubadagi Hadakti. Indigenous and adventure sports, si Maruena, Kumalampak sports, the Susanaba, Kumalampak, the Putoga, Karamarang kind of Sinsiana, Gamen and Lepo decision, si Yamna public decision in Nobjay.
The 22nd District Level Youth Festival cum Communal Harmony organized by District Youth Affairs and Sports Department was held at Wangjing Sports Complex, Thoubal District today. Songs and dances competitions were held as a part of the event. 12th Battalion National Disaster Rapid Force from Itanagar demonstrated drills on disaster management at the event. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President Ramnath Kovind pays homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at INA Moira. 39 memorandums of understanding have been signed between Government of India and representatives of various companies. Artists from different parts of the world take part in International Imphal Art Game at Kangla. Congress submits memorandum to President Corbyn demanding disclosure of framework agreement between Government of India and NSC IM. And 11th Manipur Polo International 2017 kicks off. Manipur beat England 8-3 in the opening match.